Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Whew, it is such a hot day today. It is a Saturday, and if you do not know, I live in New York City, so yeah, it's super hot. It's like in the 80s. I think it may go up to the 90s, so if you hear me out of breath or you see a little sweat, it's because it's warm. I'm excited to be back. I missed you guys, even though it's been a few days. And I am back with a wig tutorial. So I am collaborating with ebonyline.com once again. That is my go-to site to get my synthetic lace wigs. So if you see me with synthetic lace wigs, like in 2022, that's like my go-to website. I picked this wig right here, and this is the Outre. It's from Outre. It's from their melted hairline collection, because you know they have collections. The style is Manuella, and it's a 6/3 seam. Get right into it. Ooh. Okay. All of this stuff, you don't need, child. Ooh, it is tied up and everything, girl. Let me get you out of there. Ooh. Ooh, child. All right, let me take out all the papers, and we don't need all of that, child. So they have Manuella in a red velvet, a hazelnut, cinnamon spice, golden honey, amber sunset, and a caramel mocha. Now, low key, looking at the rest of the colors, they're so gorgeous. Like, especially the golden honeys. If you're not someone that loves, like, you know, likes a super bright blonde wig, or, you know, you just don't think it fits your skin tone, you just think it washes you out, you don't like it, definitely go for a golden honey or caramel mocha. So it has soft HD transparent lace, 5-inch deep parting, completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns, natural baby hair, a redesigned comfort fit ear contour. They have a comfort fit ear contour. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. This is how she looks. Look how beautiful she is. She's bouncy. She has a lot of body, and oh, she has really small clips in the side. I don't know why they're so small. Maybe it's a snug wig, but they're really little. And it has a strap, like they said, elastic band. It feels super like soft, and it has clip in the back, the regular one, and it also has the basic straps, which I'm going to unstrap because I need my straps. And before I even put it on, I don't even want to put it on and take it off. I'm just going to tint the lace, because you guys know I do that. But it is a middle part, you can see. If you hear music, I hope YouTube doesn't flag it, but they're playing Shake It outside my window.
Yeah. Yeah. Watch my life flip. Now watch my dough flip. Now watch my clothes flip. Now
ooh, this is, goodness, I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. Wow, it's gorgeous. Just let me stand up so I can show you guys. And yes, my shirt says HBIC head in charge. Yes, ma'am. But so it comes like right under my boobs. Literally, it stops right here. It's so, like, I got a little bit of brown streaks in it, but I actually kind of like that. I don't know, I like it. But the hairline is so natural looking. Like, you would not think this is a synthetic wig. Look at the edges. Like, I don't want to ruin it with like a whole bunch of swirly baby hairs. Honestly, I kind of want it to look like it's coming out of my scalp. Like, I feel like Beyonce. Okay, so let's just see. Let me just glue it. I'm gonna be using my Escha's primer, which I always do. It's always a little dirty, child, because I just be rushing, child. So this is my Escher primer, just around the edges because I have on makeup, and it kind of dries and primes the area before I apply the glue. My Bold Hold, don't judge it, it's been through a lot. I need another one. Bold Hold, if you want to collab, you know, you can call me because your products are like super, you know, kind of pricey. Well, they're not really pricey, but I'm just being cheap. Just call me, hook me up, please, please.
Watch my hoes flip, now watch my flow flip, now watch my goals flip, now watch this whole shit, nigga, now watch this whole shit, watch my life flip, now watch my dough flip, now watch my clothes flip, now watch my hoes flip, now watch my flow flip, now watch the goals flip, now watch this whole shit, nigga, now watch this whole shit, I came up with drug dealers and burglars, in the club with the hammer, fuck security searches, cause some shit pop off, niggas scramble like cursive, whole team put in working, we eat cause we deserve it, hopping out of Suburbans, groupie bitches on my dick and determined, a young nigga got a soul of every beat sermon, yeah I came up hurting, can't compare me to these rappers, cause they live behind the curtain, I put mine on the surface, sleeping on the floor surface, bagging up fentanyl, I had my man sell Perkins, know the feds will do you dirty, yet they catch you with them dirties, or the sticks right by the birdies, the judge giving out more numbers than the jersey. Watch my life flip, now watch my dough flip, now watch my clothes flip, now watch my hoes flip, now watch my flow flip, now watch my goals flip, now watch this whole shit, nigga, now watch this whole shit, watch my life flip, now watch my dough flip, now watch my clothes flip, now watch my hoes flip.
Hey guys, as you can see, I finished gluing her down. Now, because remember I told you guys I really don't know if I want to do baby hairs. I really don't, because the hairline is absolutely perfect. Like I don't want to do baby hairs, so I'm not. Okay, take this off. It's so perfect. I don't even have to tie it down. You guys know I usually install and then I use my little tie here to tie down the edges, but I don't even have to do that with this wig because it laid down so flat. Like, soon as I glued it down, it laid down super flat. So let me just comb it out, okay.
Now watch my flow flip, now watch the goals flip, now watch this whole shit, nigga, now watch this whole shit,
Okay, so, combed it out. Now, it doesn't, let me see, it doesn't shed, actually, it doesn't shed. It just, obviously, when you comb it out, hairs come out, so that's normal, but it doesn't, it's not like shedding or anything on me, so that's a good thing. Yeah, let me stand up and show you guys. So yeah, if I put it behind my ear, you'll see the earrings more. It looks really nice behind the ear as well, and it feels really comfortable behind the ear. And it just looks so natural. Look at that, y'all. No baby hair edges I made, and it looks like it's coming out of my scalp. This is awesome. I love this wig. Just put a little lip gloss on because I feel like I've been talking and my lips are like crying for some. Okay, so this wig, you need to go get it. It's absolutely perfect. Literally, no baby hairs, easy to lay down. Literally, as soon as I put the glue, it just stuck right to my head. The hairline looks super natural, as you guys can see. The hair itself is not super thick where I felt like I had to thin it out at all. It's that perfect, you know, it has the perfect texture, the thinness. It's not super thick. I put it behind my ears like this, and then it falls down. I think that's better because when this is not behind my ears, it's kind of too much in my face, so I don't really like that. Show you how it looks standing up. It's pretty. Let me show you guys how it looks from the back. That is all for this video, you guys. Let me know what you think below. If you like her, if you'll be buying her. I think she will look great. And do they have a 1B? I don't even know if they have a black. Oh, they do. These are just the special colors I read too. They have a black, but black will be really pretty too. But I think black will be kind of boring. I definitely want to try this in like a red or a chestnut, but it's gorgeous. I love you guys so much. That's all for this video. Thank you, Ebony Line, for collabing with me, and I have way more wig videos coming up. Subscribe if you're not, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great day.
Flip. Now watch my clothes flip. Now watch my hoes flip. Now watch my flow flip.